Hi, beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in. Today's review is going to be on the Bobbi Boss First Class Hair Premium Synthetic Wig in the style M905W BADU-W. So if you want to see this, please keep watching. Hi, beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in. This unit that I'm reviewing today is not going to be a voiceover, as you can see, because it's a headband wig. It being a headband wig, I don't really have to do too much to it, so I would rather kind of talk through it with you just to show you kind of what's going on with her and the specs of her. So these units are meant for you to be able to basically slick your hair back into a ponytail, a braid, whatever you're feeling like you want to do, and go. Throw it on and go. This unit is the Bobbi Boss First Class Hair Premium Synthetic Wig in the style M905W BADU-W. That's BADU-W. In the color 2. So here is the unit. I kind of showed her a little bit before I got on. Here she is. This unit's probably about 14 to 16 inches, maybe a little bit longer than that. The front of it has the headband all the way around, and inside the unit there are no combs. I don't know about that. I really would like a couple of combs, but there is like this little section around the head on the outer edge of the headband where there's a little button, and it seems like you can unbutton it and pull it a little bit tighter if you need to. But inside there, it seems like it's really breathable. There is nothing in the inside. You'll just see tracks and like a little bit of a mesh at the very top, but it seems really breathable. The hair is really light, really pretty, just like a crimp kind of, really light, not heavy at all, not shedding, not tangling at all. So what I do when I slick my hair back is I just go in with a little bit of water in a spray bottle, and because my hair works well. I'm natural, just in case you didn't know, I'm natural. So my hair works well with water, and so I wet my hair, and then I have a mixture of olive oil and black castor oil, because it kind of helps grow my edges in. So I go in and spray the oil and black castor oil, the olive oil and black castor oil on my hair, and I mix it in, and then I go in with my green olive oil eco styler gel, and then I go behind that with the yellow got to be glued and do my edges, and it kind of slicks my hair to a point where it's not super curly. It doesn't curl right up, and that's what I do. So that's what I have done. You can put on a wig cap if you want to, or a stocking cap. I'm not going to do that because I just feel like, why? I don't need to do that. So here we go. Let's see how this unit fits. So right off, she's a little tight on my head. I will tell you, I have like a medium sized head, like 22.5 inch head, and she's fitting tight, but she's like right on the edges. If your head is a little bit bigger than mine, she possibly would fit. You may have to put combs in it, and she may be a little bit tighter, but this seems like it would stretch out for you. It seems really stretchable. I have a little room, so she probably will fit you as well. Anything over 23, she may be a little too snug for you. It might cause a headache, but I'm not sure. Like I said, for me, she fits. She fits really good. I'll pull her back a little bit. Now, I would love combs like right at the top behind the headband, and maybe at the bottom behind the headband, just for a little security for me, because I don't want her slipping off if I'm out and about shopping or doing what I'm doing, and she's not snug. So for me, a comb, even at the top would help. I think I might sew one in, and you could possibly do that if you needed to. They sell combs at the beauty supply or probably your local beauty supply. So you probably would be able to sew a comb in there if you wanted to. For me, I think that's what I'll do. But actually, the unit, I think she's really cute. Like, she's really light, not heavy at all. I think you can wear her in the summer, and really a throw on a go. Like, I haven't done anything to her, and I don't plan on doing anything to her. I could go to the grocery store right now just like this and be happy. For my beginners, this would be perfect for you. You don't have to cut any lace. You don't have to do anything concerning that. Just slick your hair back, throw on, and go. And, you know, you've got a cute style that you could just go and roll out in. Now let you see how long she is on me. She's like above my chest, which is really pretty. It's almost like she's cut into a layered style. So it's kind of a little short at the top. You know, if you want to pull her to the front like that, you know, I think it's really pretty. If you just want to wear her totally to the back, then you can do that. And she's really pretty like that. This hair is really nice. I like the curls in it, and like I said, it's really soft. I do recommend this. I think I'm going to order a couple more of these. They were on, I think when I ordered her from Glamour Tress, and it was a sale going on. I think they had like 15% off of the whole website. So she ended up being $21.51 on sale. And I ordered this one and the 2 other units under this BADU series, which are a little shorter. There's one that's just super curly but shorter, and then there's one that's a little bit straighter with more of a bend on the ends of it. And I'll be reviewing those in the future, so stay tuned. But if you're a beginner, this is awesome for you. If you're not a beginner and you just don't want to do all the work that it takes to cut the lace and do all that, and you're just going out and you just want to be cute really quickly, this is the unit for you. Throw it on and go. Their claims are correct. Like I said, and the hair is really pretty. It's really thick. It's giving me, this is my hair, you know? And if you like that, this is for you. Anyway, like I said, this is the Bobbi Boss First Class Hair Premium Synthetic Wig. This wig comes in 6 colors, sorry. 1B, 2, 4, FS1B30, and SF430. Really cute. And it's safe for styling heat. So if you wanted to, you know, straighten it out or put curls in it, I guess you could do it. I wouldn't suggest it, because on synthetic wigs, sometimes when you put heat on them, they just never revert back to where they were before. However, I really like this wig, and I think it's really cute. Let me give you a 360. Here's the right side. Here's the back. Here's the left side. And again, guys, join the family. We're friendly here. We're always friendly. And subscribe. Share. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.